Hi, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and today I'm in Wedgwood and I'm just thatching lawns here today. And this is a lawn that I've just got done thatching and rake it into piles, and I'm going to start loading it up here in just a moment. But I just want to give you a quick example of my work here, and I'm going to come back in a couple of weeks' time and aerate, seed, and fertilize after their landscapers cut this lawn. And once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, my name's Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today's September 22nd. And this is a lawn that I previously thatched. And today I came back and aerated, seeded, and fertilized it. And I'm going to come back 3 weeks to a month's time and just see how this lawn is doing. I am currently in Seattle, Washington, North Seattle, in the View Ridge neighborhood. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and hey, thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye. Hello, this is Stuart, and today is October 7th. And this is a lawn that I had previously thatched, aerated, seeded, and fertilized. And I also had put some lime on here too. And I was just coming back to take a look at the results here. And the lawn has just been cut. And it's still got a little bit of seed germination going on here in some places. This is Mark's lawn, and I'm currently in North Seattle, View Ridge neighborhood. Once again, this is Stuart, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you, and if you like it, please click the like button. There you are. Thank you. Bye.